is an updated video of the sound test that I'll be showing you. It's the Samsung q800b.
So now you've had the soundbar for 2 weeks. What are your initial thoughts? Are you happy with it? Have you got any regrets? What do you think of the sound quality?
Yeah, the sound quality is amazing. I was going to get the rear speakers for it, but it's actually pointless doing it because it just sounds amazing anyway. Like the actual surround sound it gives is just literally phenomenal.
These are some of the settings on the remote control. You have the power on, off, source, Bluetooth pairing, mute, sound mode, information, volume up and down, woofer up and down, channel level, the settings there for bass and treble, tone control.